Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. You're watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. Let's have a look at the top stories. With the polling date for Pipili by-election coming close, Biju Janata Dal has deployed several of its top leaders in the assembly constituency to manage the campaign. According to a source in BJD, electioneering in each panchayat will be monitored by either an MLA or a senior party leader. The party is putting more focus on Pipili and Delanga blocks. Five persons involved in the murderous attack on Pradeep Kumar Tripathi at Mishra Sahi in Puri on March 16 after he refused to pay the extortion money were arrested on Friday. The arrested were identified as Bijay Kumar Sahu, 27 years old, Biranchi Narayan Panigrahi, 36 years old, Lokanath Hota, 28 years, Rinku Padhi, 32 years, and Hari Shankar Kanungo, 35 years, a police official informed. Tension hovered over Nalco plant site in Damanjodi area of Koraput district Saturday following a scuffle between the local police and nearby villagers who were displaced for a bauxite plant. According to a source, the displaced villagers were on dharna for the last 4 days demanding employment for the family members. They staged a blockade in the morning at Nalco Road and halted vehicular movement. The protesters did not even allow any of the staff to enter into the plant premises to join their duties. Thakurmunda Forest Department arrested 2 persons for setting jungles on fire in Kaliajiani Reserve Forest 1 under Thakurmunda range of Karanjia Forest Division in Mayurbhanj district Friday night. The accused have been identified as Bhuteswar Naik and Fatu Dandapat of Talapada village. They were produced in a local court Saturday and sent to judicial custody as their bail pleas were rejected. In view of the surge in COVID-19 infections in Ganjam district, the district administration Friday night prohibited the biennial festival of the presiding deity goddess Buddhi Thakurani in Barampur this year. According to sources, the priests were preparing for installation of the Subha Kunti, which marks the beginning of Buddhi Thakurani Yatra when the prohibitory order was clamped. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee Saturday slammed the BJP, branding it as the biggest extortionist in the world which should never be allowed to rule the state. The National Investigation Agency has been handed over the probe into the death of Thane-based businessman Mansukh Hiran, whose body was found in a creek days after a vehicle laden with explosives was parked near the Mumbai residence of industrialist Mukesh Ambani, officials said on Saturday. India and the US Saturday resolved to further expand their global defense and security cooperation, including military-to-military engagement, information sharing, logistics support, as both sides vowed to work for a free, open and inclusive Indo-Pacific. That's all for today. You are watching Orissa Post Live. To stay updated, stay with us.